Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2022, the 21st of October, right? So we have 9 days to go to end this October month. So today is a Friday, and it's a day that we are going to apply how to have weekly profits conservation. Alright, so nevertheless, today in this Forex Trading Plan session, we are going to plan out what are the currencies that we are going to look out for. Right, and later on in the London session, we shall look out for the pairs, the currency pairs to trade. All right. Okay. So hi everyone. All right. Hi Aiden. Hi CK. Right. So nice to see all of you here, and also hi Sabrina. How are you, Sabrina? You feeling better? I hope so. Okay. Okay, so yep, thank you so much for coming in, guys. All right, and Bradley, hi, nice to see you here. Well, so guys have been following my channel over here. Do remember to smash the like button to show your appreciation for the effort behind the videos, right? Okay, so yep, and we have AUDCAD with us right now. Okay, so let's take a look at AUDCAD. So AUDCAD over here is now is in the bear trend. All right. So the bear trend today, we are now into this area here. So whereby this area, I'm going to plot out this support here, as we can see, all right, the support level here. Well, the support level over here, we can see that in this AUDCAD here, it seems like is actually we are now heading down to the support. So we still have a little bit of space to go, about 18 pips. Well, 18 pips to go, really, I would say that it's kind of tight in a way, right? But if you can scalp it along the way, all right, so you try to work around, try to work within that space so that you can benefit from this selling here, right? For now, at this moment, okay, I'll be looking at the AUDCAD for selling. All right, so I'm going to put AUDCAD into my selling list. All right, okay, so later on we'll see where can we actually sell, right? So that it will actually give us a good selling point, whereby now it's already in selling. Okay, so this kind of chart is good. Well, I would like to see this. When I see this, all right, there's always a sign of selling here, right? Okay, thank you so much. And then let's go. Okay, so now let's see. Right, Aussie franc. How about Aussie franc? Well, Aussie franc, we are tentatively in the bear. However, in this bear, we are actually looking out for a resistance, right? But today we have some retracement here. Okay, so we have some retracement here. So hoping that this resistance will be able to hold it down, so that we will be able to achieve the support down there, right? So, but tentatively, it is still looking out for this level to see that some buying signal, some buying trend is still ongoing. So let's hang on first, okay, to see if there's a chance for us to sell down. All right, so looking at this, we have a support down here, up here, all right, okay, over here. So along the way, yeah, let me see, 1 2, all right, 1 2, yeah, the support level is here. All right, so we can see that it's very clear. Okay, so perhaps we have a chance here. All right, so let's take a look here. Okay, Aussie franc is also looking good. Well, Aussie franc is also looking good. All right, so I'm going to put Aussie franc into my watch list. Okay, but again, this may be the time where it's actually needed to create the selling signal. Okay, so just hang on for a while. All right, so for Aussie franc, we still have around 28 pips to go. Okay, so for sorry, for Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen, we are in the bear. Okay, so now the bear is still running, but the retracement, it seems like ended. So now coming in for selling. So tentatively, all right, we are looking into level of resistance, and support has no change over here. All right, so I'm going to move this down. I'm going to move it up. Okay, so this is same here. All right. Okay, so we still have a good chance because now it seems like the selling came from the resistance. So Aussie yen is something that we can take note. Okay, Aussie yen. Right, so Aussie yen. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi. What about Aussie Kiwi? Well, Aussie Kiwi, tentatively we are in the bear, but today we are having a retracement. So at the moment, since you are having a retracement over here, I would suggest to stay away first. All right, let's wait for the retracement to be ended. Then probably the next week or so, then maybe we can start selling from there. All right. Okay. How about Aussie dollar? Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar over here. Okay. So Aussie dollar. Sorry, let me clear this off first. Okay. Right. So let's take a look. Aussie dollar here, we are in the bear, all right? So we are in the bear over here now, starting to sell. Okay, so we are going back into the prevailing trend. So that's good. So by looking at Aussie dollar over here, all right, so we are looking into the support, the same support. So Aussie dollar is coming into support very soon. So in this case, all right, what am I going to do is that I'm going to wait for Aussie dollar to break the support. Then after that, look out for a selling signal, all right? Then I will be looking to sell Aussie dollar. All right. Okay. So Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie is very straightforward. That we can still see that it is in the bull. The bull is still running for the past few weeks. Past few days. We have a pullback and then set up a support and then continue the bull run. Am I right? Okay. So since that's the case, allow it to go first. All right. Don't. We shall not rush into a selling trade. Let it go. Buyers can take note, okay, we still have good potential space for Aussie or Euro Aussie, all right? Okay, so EURUSD. Well, EURUSD over here, we are in the bear, now starting to go on the bull. The bull has started to run, and will that be actually a good time for us to sell? All right, so let's take a look at the support level, right? The support level is actually here. So looks like the EURUSD, we are looking out for support and then ready to test the high again. All right, so this is the resistance. Okay, so let me place it there. All right, so that everybody can see. Okay, so over here. Okay, so now tentatively we have created one resistance down here. Will this actually create a selling to break the support and then go down for a bear? All right, so that may be possible. So tentatively, okay, we will stay away first for EURUSD to observe it further before we take action. Okay, so for Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen at the moment, okay, we are still running on the bull. So the bull is still running very strong. Okay, so tentatively I can see the resistance up there. Okay, so we can see here, and then the support level is here. Well, support level is here, then I think it's quite far away. However, we are actually pretty near to the resistance, and seems like we are selling from the resistance, correct? So allow it to retest it first. Retest the resistance and see if we can have a chance to sell down. All right. So at the moment right now, right, we are actually in the middle. So Euro Yen, although it's in the bull, okay, now it seems like it's coming into the bear. All right, seems like it's coming into the bear. So in this case, we can put this under some observation. Then later on, we can come in and take a look, see if there's a chance for selling. Right. So Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi. As for Euro Kiwi over here, you can see that now we are still running in the bull, pulling back here, then hitting on the support area. Okay, this is the support area here, right? So another one is the resistance area here. So we are in the bull. Since we are in the bull and now it's hitting on the support, are we going to sell? No, we are supposed to buy. All right, so buying opportunity is still there. So buyers can take note, sellers stay away. All right. Euro dollar. How about Euro dollar? Let's take a look at Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar, we have a swing for Euro dollar over here. Then you see we are still going downwards. Am I right? Okay, so we are still going south. So we are in the bear. All right, so we are in the bear. So look out for resistance. So resistance, where is the resistance here? Now tentatively the resistance downwards over here. Support has no change. Okay, we are still here. Okay, we are still in the support, on the support. Wait for it to break first. Okay, break it, then later on we may have a better chance. Okay, we may have a better chance to see, right, the the chance to break into this level. Okay, so yeah, euro dollar looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to put dollar into my selling list. Okay. Alright, so pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at pound Aussie. Now, pound Aussie, very straightforward. We are in the bull, and right now, as for the bull, we are having a resistance up there, over here. Right, so we have another support level over here. We are very near to the support level. And the thing is that we are in the bull market. So in the bull market, looking for support so that you can buy, correct? You can long the market. So at the moment, be patient to wait for it to touches this support level. Then we go for a buy, all right? Okay, so next to go, pound franc. Well, pound franc over here. Now we can see, all right, we are in the bear, now heading up for a bull. So in the bull, right now, we are looking out for support. Okay, so the support is actually here, and as we can see, it's very near. Right, the next one to go, the resistance is up there. We have tested once and got rejected. So tentatively, that is the resistance for us, so that we can see that this is the resistance area. All right, that's cool. Okay, so it's very simple. Now, pound franc, we are looking out for support. Then after that, we go for a buy. All right. Okay, next to go, Namaste, Naga. Hope to see. Hope that everything is good for you yesterday. All right. Okay. So over here, let's take a look. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen. Very good. I hope yesterday the pound yen actually, many of you should grab the profit there. Okay, so over here we can see, all right, from this pound yen, over here we are actually escalating up to the bull. So yesterday we are still looking out for a buying, correct? So yesterday, okay, over here, not yesterday. Now, tentatively, by looking at this, okay, we are looking into this level of resistance. Okay, so look out for the resistance first. But we are buying, so we need to take note. This area, if we are going to continue the buying, where are we supposed to stop? Okay, so where are we supposed to take our profit? All right, so over here, the support level, as you can see, has been supported. So pound yen today, we may have a chance that it will have a chance to take this, and then after that go for the buy. All right. Okay, so yes, Naga, that's nice. Congratulations for your profits. Okay, so yep. Okay, so today we are, unless today the pound yen can break the support, okay, and come to this level. Okay, this level is actually one of the let me check. Okay, this level, okay, there's one level that we can check, is that there may be a very good chance that pound yen will actually come in, okay, into a level like this. Okay, so we can take note of that level, because this level, I would say that tentatively, okay, 17th of October, let's see. Okay, 17th of October. Okay. Right, so it should be around here. Okay, so tentatively I'm looking at this level. Okay, so if there's a selling opportunity for pound yen to turn down, okay, in the bull, right, and turn into the bear, where it's actually now in the transition area now. Okay, so I'm looking at a very good chance that if this is going to break the support here, right, a very good chance that the pound yen will go down about 133 pips to this level, about 166.385. Okay, 166.385. So this is one good one. Okay, although we are still in the bull, but looking at this bull is going to turn into a bear. So we are in the transition. So okay, I'm going to put this. Okay, I'm going to put this into my watch list, or this pound yen. Looks very good to me. Okay, pound yen. All right, just waiting for it to break that support, and we may have a good chance to go down to 166.385. All right. Okay. Hi, dobro jutro, Caro. Nice to see you here. Okay, so yep, pound yen. Yes. Talking about cargo, huh? Yeah, yeah. Yesterday, well, I'm in the office. They were asking me. Many people, many viewers on my YouTube. Okay, but not many on my Facebook. So when you're on my Facebook, you see a lot of my nonsensical posting. Am I right? So they were laughing and they were wondering how will you react when you see my Facebook. Okay, yeah. Pao Kiwi, let's move Pao Kiwi. Okay. So Pao Kiwi over here, right? Let's see Pao Kiwi. We are in the bull. Okay, so tentatively we are in the bull. So should be looking out for where is the resistance that we should stop. We should take our profits if you are going for a buy, and where should you start buying if you are going for a buy. All right. Okay. So yep. Right. So over at this point here, support over here, we can see there's one support over here, which are also very near. So if this Pao Kiwi is going to hit on the support here, very likely it's going to turn up, okay, to our buy to reach that resistance level. Right? Unless it breaks this support, then we will be able to see that we are actually going into the bear. All right, we are actually going to the bear. So that is a good thing. Then we'll have a very good space to sell later on for about 156 pips for Pao Kiwi. So let's observe whether it will break into the bear, break the support to go into the bear. Okay, I think likely maybe later on the day or maybe next week. Okay, well, so Pao dollar next to go. Pao dollar. Well, pound dollar straightforward. We are in the bear. All right. So today we are also in the trend for the selling for pound dollar. Well, yesterday we have a discussion. All right. So for the pound dollar, so managed to grab about 50 to 75 pips, right? Okay. So 50 pips. I think yeah. Right, so one, two, from here, 50, about 50 pips. Okay, so over here. Right, so I think tentatively by looking at the pound dollar, we are still in the selling mode. Okay, we are still in the selling mode. So over here, this selling mode is still ongoing. The thing is that we are clearing this area here. So my target for this are actually still looking out for this, right? This area here. Sorry, so as we can see the support over here. So something over here. This is my target. All right, this is my target here. All right, so at this point here, that is the target. Let me see, confirm again. All right, so yeah, around there, huh? Okay, so let me plot it. Okay, so around. Wow, this is too high. So should be around here. Anyway, yeah, somewhere here. All right. Okay, so I'm looking at this level. Okay, so in this case, for now, this is my target area. Then I'm looking out for selling to this area here. Well, let's take a look what it happens after it clear this. Okay, because now we are meeting out with the support. Right, so one support, one zone here, and after that, the next zone will be coming in 30 pips. Then after that, I'm going into the 70. Right, so that is the good. That's the one that I'm going to focus for pound dollar. Okay, right. So I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list. Okay, right. Hi, Wasim. Namaste. Nice to see you here. Okay, dollar CAD over here. Well, dollar CAD. By looking at dollar CAD, we are still in the bull. So buying is possible. So where is the resistance that we should be paying attention to? Well, this is the resistance level that I'm looking out for. Okay, so I will be looking out for this resistance before we actually go for selling. Okay, so if there's a chance of selling, but we are in the bull, so the selling may come in as a pullback, a retracement only. Okay, then after that, look out for the support to buy. All right, the support to buy. Okay. So we still have a good space down there, about 70 pips. So you can trade on the pullback if you're good, okay, for selling, all right? So dollar franc, we are still in the bull run, right? So we are still, the dollar is still pushing very high. So I guess now it's still in the bull. So tentatively by looking into this level, all right? So we should be looking out for this level of resistance where it is now in the on the resistance. Will it break further up? Okay, will it break further up to become a buy? Okay, to continue the buy. Well, perhaps. All right. So tentatively, let's hang on and see. But not for me. If there's any selling downwards, although we have big space, good space, profitable space of 40 pips, but then again, this is only a pullback. So if you're good at pullback, okay, by all means. All right. Dollar yen. So dollar yen now today we are actually now heading towards this level. So we have break the 150. Okay, so breaking the 150 is actually should I say it's a good news? To me, it's a good news. Okay, to me, it's a good news. Okay, all right. Why? Okay, because seems like the yen against the dollar is getting weaker. Right. So yeah. Okay. So yeah. So it's good for me. Okay. I can collect more yen. All right. So yeah. So now, okay, and for now at this moment here, okay, resistance is still very high up. There's no that I won't say resistance. I will say that this is high now. Okay. That's just put it as a high. So let's see if there any will it come into a way to create a market structure. Okay, that it will continue to buy, or it will pull back for a little while before we actually can go for a buy. If I'm going for a buy, I'm going to look out for levels like this. Okay, all these weak down here. These are all the important ones. All right, so we can take note about of all these levels to see which if it actually comes in here, then we start to go for a buy, right, for about 50 pips. Very highly likely. If I'm going for a buy. All right, but for me, dollar yen, tentatively, I'm not going to touch it. Okay. Well, Bitcoin. As for Bitcoin right now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, okay, same thing. Okay, we are very straightforward here, and very straightforward down here. All right. So for now, okay, this Bitcoin over at this point here, it is actually now hovering around this area. But if earlier on we were talking about this level, okay, so 22, 9, 23 actually is actually 23, okay. So we are looking into this level, okay, into this range here, whereby for Bitcoin, we are actually looking at the Bitcoin will range around this area here, so 18,000 to 23,000. Well, but for Bitcoin, it may also break into lower price that I'm always looking out for a 16,000. Okay, so hopefully it will break this. Okay, but tentatively by looking at it is actually moving towards the 18,006. So still moving, all right. But the final one looking at is actually 18,000. Okay, so still looking for the selling here. Right, so tentatively just hang on first because lately because of the dollar, I think Bitcoin and the crypto is having a very quiet market now. Okay, so let's wait for any action. Okay, now for gold, yeah, for gold, yes, for gold over here. Sorry, yesterday was having some discussion during the live streaming, and yeah, okay, so let's see. Right, so over here for the gold, yes, for the gold, wonderful. We have successfully achieved, okay, our 1620. Congratulations, Caro. But we are looking into the next lower position, which is 1616, I guess. Right? Am I right? If I didn't remember wrong, 1611, 1611 or 1616, somewhere there, Okay. So yes, gold over here we have achieved our 1620. Yeah, so that is one. Okay, yeah, so good profits, I guess. All right, so for those who are actually I see a lot of people sharing about the gold, okay, when it actually hits into this area here, right, when they are actually saying that it's time to buy, it's time to buy, it's time to buy. Okay, so over here it's time to buy, it's time to buy, but in the whole general trend for the gold is actually still selling. So by yesterday, all right, I received some of the PMs was talking about the gold, right, in the Southeast Asia, that they have burst their pot. Okay, they have burst their pot. I don't know why. Okay, and but the world is actually, we are actually looking, okay, to sell the gold. All right, there's a reason behind it. Am I right? Okay, so we cannot just purely looking at assuming that okay, this is the low of the market already, and then now it's time to buy. So that is not the way. Okay, so for gold wise, okay, tentatively we are actually looking into 1620. It hits clear 1620, and now we are actually moving down to a lower price than maybe even 1611. Correct? Okay, like Akaru was stating. So at the moment, all right, at the moment, let's wait for this gold to actually retrace. I see that there may be a retracement, highly possible, to actually a 1628 or 1638, somewhere at 1620. And maybe some buying first. Okay, they'll be coming in. Okay, so about 1628, right? So about 1628, or it may even go up to about a 1638. Okay, somewhere here, right? So then after that, will there be a good chance for selling down? I will still say yes. The chances are still very high. Okay, so we still see very good chance for this this gold will still continue the selling. Okay, so at the moment, by looking at this, we are still looking out for selling for the gold. Okay, so the gold should be still selling. In fact, I still see some good space down there, right? Okay, so yep, so that's the goal. Right, so that's all for now. Okay, that's all for now. And tentatively, okay, let's come back to see what F that we are going to focus for the day. Right, so yep. Okay, so this is the gold trading here. All right, and now let's see. I shall flash it out for all of you so that later on we can take note of what we are going to sell. Sure. Oh. Okay. Oh, I make a mistake here. Okay, never mind. All right, AUDCAD. Right, and AUDCAD, Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, right, and euro dollar, right, pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, so these are what I'm going to focus today. All right, it may have some changes. Okay, it may have some changes. All right, so later on we will see how it goes, and then if it's actually into our plan, okay, then we'll continue with the currency pairs that we have picked up. All right, okay, so that's about all today. Well, thank you guys for coming in, and this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Do remember to smash the like button, and I shall see you in the London session in 1.5 hours later. All right, so do subscribe and join in the discussion. Thank you so much, guys. See you again.